Hey everybody, I'm attorney Kyle Kaufman from hkklawoffices.com. We are family law attorneys based in Wisconsin. In today's video, I would like to talk about the question that we get here a lot. People come in and they say, why do I have to pay child support? Like, really, why? If you like what we're doing here, please like and subscribe to our channel. You can leave a comment below. Tell us what you'd like to hear from us for more videos. Guys, so what happens is we do consultations, we have existing clients, and we represent people in family law cases dealing with child support issues that come out of divorce or child custody cases. And we do represent the people that are receiving child support or want to receive child support. We also represent people who have to pay child support, and some people who talk about, why do I have to do it, right? Trying to understand that concept. So in this video, I want to talk about that. Why do I have to pay child support? And this question also really comes up in situations where we have what's called equal and shared placement. That's where both parents are seeing the child or children an equal amount of time, the classic 50-50, right? So this is what I tell my clients. Now, you might not like this, you might not agree with this, but in Wisconsin, the legislator has basically put together some basic principles in our statutes and administrative codes that tell us how to direct child support. And the premise comes from this, okay? The premise comes from that two parents living together with a child, right, combine their resources, whether it's labor, by not working and doing things in the home, or labor, and then you get paid for it and bring money back into the home. And the child ends up benefiting from both parents' production of those efforts, whether it's from income, getting paid for the work they do, from business, or if they're at home and taking care of children and raising them. But when parents split up and now they're in different homes, right, there's two different buckets essentially. And what the legislator says is the child should not suffer because of that. And the financial consequences to the child should just not exist. So in other words, you could have two parents equally sharing placement, and although they each have the same set of responsibilities in terms of raising the children on their own time, if one parent is making more money than the other, okay, that parent who's making more money may still have to pay child support to the other, okay? And again, the backdrop to that comes from the concept that the child should not suffer, the child should be able to benefit from the income sources of both parents. So that's the basic concept. Now, a lot of people that answer, they tend to accept that, they understand that at that point, they may not love it, but that's really the basic concept that the child should not suffer. So I hope you liked that video. If you have some questions or comments on that, let me know, and I'm happy to drill down on more videos about child support for you. Thanks.